The Shark NeverChange is known for its long-lasting filter, while the Levoit Core 300S stands out for its smart features and very affordable price. So, which of these two models is the better choice? I'll answer that shortly. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. These are two small, low CADR, yet highly effective air purifiers. The Shark NeverChange HP152 is suitable for rooms up to 150 square feet, while the Levoit Core 300S covers rooms up to 219 square feet. Both air purifiers include an air quality sensor, an air quality indicator, and an auto mode, but only the Levoit works with a smart app. The build quality is okay on both devices, and each is available in different colors. You could find more information about these two air purifiers at airpurifierfirst.com. When it comes to filtration technology, the Levoit uses a 3-stage technology, while the Shark NeverChange uses a 4-stage technology. Both purifiers start with a pre-filter as the first stage, but the Shark's pre-filter is of higher quality, it's washable, and easy to clean. Neither model uses a true HEPA filter. However, their particle filters are still very effective at capturing airborne particles, as confirmed in our tests. For odor neutralization, both rely on an activated carbon filter. The Shark NeverChange also includes a PET particle filter as an additional stage, which, in my opinion, is essentially just another layer of pre-filtering. Additionally, Shark includes an odor neutralizer that doesn't filter the air, but instead adds a pleasant scent to it. The filters in both devices are cylindrical and located in the bottom part of the unit. Based on their room coverage, we tested how effectively these two air purifiers remove airborne particles. To measure their efficiency, we used a temp-top laser particle meter. In the first test, performed in a 194 square foot room, the Levoit Core 300S improved air quality by 94%, while the Shark NeverChange achieved about 92%. In the second test, performed in a larger 320 square foot room, the Levoit Core 300S improved air quality by 92%, and the Shark NeverChange by 90%. As these results show, both devices delivered excellent performance, with the Levoit Core 300S performing slightly better overall. In the following seconds, you'll find out which air purifier removed all the smoke from the glass box faster. The first thing to note is that the Levoit has 4 fan speeds, while the Shark has 5. At the lowest speed, the Shark NeverChange produces 40.4 dBA of noise, compared to 41.4 dBA for the Levoit Core 300S. At maximum speed, the Shark produces 62.4 dBA, while the Levoit reaches 65.2 dBA. Clearly, the Shark NeverChange is better optimized for noise than the Levoit. When it comes to operating costs, the first thing to note is that both devices use 26-watt motors. This also confirms that the Levoit has a significantly better CADR to power ratio than the Shark. If you were to run both air purifiers at maximum speed 24 hours a day for an entire month, your electricity bill would increase by about $2.24 for the Shark NeverChange and about $2.01 for the Levoit Core 300S. In addition to energy costs, There's also the cost of replacement filters. According to the manufacturers, the Levoit filter needs to be replaced more frequently. However, in my opinion, the Shark filter would also need to be replaced more often than recommended, and its replacement filters are more expensive than those for the Levoit. For this reason, I would consider the Levoit Core 300S to be more affordable when it comes to annual maintenance. To be frank, this wasn't a close battle. The test data speaks for itself. Overall, the Shark NeverChange simply doesn't offer the same value for the price as the Levoit Core 300S. The Core 300S performed better in our tests and proved to be more efficient in almost every aspect. While the Shark NeverChange HP152 is still a good air purifier, it's overpriced, and I find the claim that its filters can last up to 5 years hard to believe. You can find more information about these two air purifiers at airpurifierfirst.com. If you found this comparison helpful, like it and let me know in the comments what air purifier you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching.